Now if you want it to run only using the hydraulics, all you have to do is remove this. This is the solenoid. This is what's stopping it from rotating. You're going to get a little bit of oil out, so be prepared for it. And what we're going to do is we're going to put this number 10 ORB plug in here. Just like that. Turn it back down. Okay, you can then remove all of the wiring. You won't need any more of the wiring, you can just run it mechanically. Now here's how simple the connection is. We've got the solenoid here. This solenoid, when it's not energized, it blocks the hydraulics from running the motor. Here's the motor and the chain drive right here. So what you want to do is we want to unblock this. So what we've done is we've wired one of our Genius harnesses in here. Okay, and what this does is it allows the power to go through, go up to the switch button, and then when you turn the switch button on, it lets the power come through here and energize this solenoid. The other thing that we did was we backed this valve off because we will be deadheading the hydraulics. So we back this all the way out so that we're doing a minimal of blocking. And what it does then is when this is jamming, the hydraulics are actually going, they're head-ending into this valve and then going out through the pressure relief. This isn't going to hurt anything. I wouldn't run it at high flow, of course, because this does, every time you run over a valve like this, it does raise your temperature. But as long as you're running at idle and you're just doing regular mixing procedures, you shouldn't have any problems. And here's what the wiring looks like that was in place. We've disconnected this one. This was the CAN bus wire from the Bobcat. We're gonna disconnect this and just throw it away. It's not needed. Okay, I've got my wiring all installed here. I'm just gonna show you how this works. I'm gonna jump up and turn my controls on. Now this is a Kubota, so I've had to put a jumper switch in for the seat so I can operate without the seat. I have my bars down. Turn on my hydraulics. Okay, I can hear the hydraulics running in here. I've got the switch off. Now when I want to run it, turn my switch on. I want to shut it off, turn it off. It's that simple. On, off.